Well, hello, Legoland Florida Resort! Happy holidays! Well, we're so glad that you're here to join us to celebrate the holidays here at Legoland Florida Resort. And we are going to be doing it in some pretty big style. In fact, my name is Stefan. I'll be your host tonight, and I'm joined by a very special friend today. This is Emily Calandrelli, the Space Gal, also the 100th woman ever to make it into space. Let's cheer for that. Now we are going to be kicking off the holidays here at Legoland Florida Resort.
Oh my gosh, I am so excited to be here. Actually, I was able to get a ride from Lego Santa on the way here.
No way! He's such a busy guy. How'd you pull that off?
Oh, we're best friends. We go way back, and I was actually able to go over my Lego wish list with him, which I'm so excited about.
Ooh, I'm so excited to hear about that too. But you know what? Speaking of special friends, we actually have someone else join us here tonight that loves the holidays just as much as you and I. Join me in welcoming to the stage Merlin Entertainment's Director of Communications for North America, Julia Strada!
Going once, going twice, going 3 times. What a beautiful crowd. Thank you all for joining us so much tonight for our annual tree lighting ceremony here at Legoland Florida Resort. A special thanks to Emily for being here tonight, the Space Gal. It's nice to have a star amongst us for the stellar year we are going to be having in 2026. 2025 was an amazing year for us here. We opened up Sea Life Aquarium, Sea Life Florida Aquarium. We also launched Lego Festival for the very first time, not only here at Legoland Florida, but across the globe. And next year, Merlin Entertainments is investing the largest amount ever into Legoland Florida and Legoland California, introducing Galacticoaster in Lego Galaxy. I am so excited about this ride because multiple reasons. Not only for the first time we're going to be able to integrate Lego sets from the past, the present, and the future, but you can customize your own spacecraft. So you get to design, with the help of Big Dipper, you can design your own spacecraft. You can put on your own nose, your own wings, your own tail, your own special element. If you want burgers for wings, you can do it. If you want disco balls for tails, you can do it. In fact, there are 625 different combinations. So you can essentially ride the ride every day for almost 2 years and have a unique experience. Pretty cool. So, this is about the holidays, right? We got a big tree behind us in one light. This is my favorite time of year where the entire resort is turned into a brick-tastic winter wonderland. So I may need your help with this one, kids, okay? He sees you when you're building. He knows when you take a break. He knows sometimes things get broken. So just be good for goodness sake. Who am I talking about? Santa, right. Everybody, let's give a warm welcome to Lego Santa.
Careful on those stairs, Santa.
There you go, another big hot cocoa step for you. Nicely done. One more. Excellent, Santa. Come with me right this way. Yes, indeed, sir. Follow me right this way. Everybody, round of applause for Santa, everyone. And perfect. Oh my goodness, it's so good to see you here in festive spirits at Legoland Florida Resort for the holidays. You know what? The holidays are such a great time to get cozy, right? Grab some hot cocoa, anyone, huh? Maybe build a Lego snowman or two. Hey, Lego Santa, have you been having fun at the park today?
Have you been to any coasters by chance? Oh, and speaking of roller coasters, Lego Santa, I forgot to put the Lego Creator Expert roller coaster on my wish list. You don't suppose?
Well, actually, I heard a little rumor that Lego Santa did happen to bring a very special surprise for the holiday tree lighting ceremony tonight. One I think that you'll love very much.
Oh no! I was having so much fun at holidays at Legoland that I misplaced my bag.
That's okay, Santa. I'm sure Lost and Found might have a hold of it. I'm sure they got 12 water bottles and a loose fitting crock somewhere there. We'll be checking that out later. It's okay.
No. He needs his bag of presents.
Oh, no! All right, everybody, this is a holiday emergency. We can't light this tree until we find that bag of presents.
Everyone look for a big red bag of presents. It has all the gifts for all the world children.
You guys see any bags out there? Anything? Oh, I think I see it. No, that's not the right bag. Sorry.
You two up in front of you guys seen it?
Over here? Are those gifts for later? Okay, never mind. Sorry about that. Those are apple fries, sir. I'm sorry. I can't use those. Thank you. I am
Anyone back
hungry.
there? No, nothing.
Anything?
Come out
You guys see
wherever you
something?
are.
What do you see?
Oh my gosh.
Where? No, not on the tree. I don't see anything on the tree. What do you mean on the tree? Right over where? You hear that? Whoa, what's going on? Everyone, look over here. Look who's joining us on
Oh
stage.
my gosh. Did I see you guys in space? Wow.
Oh, right this way. Oh my goodness, are you having trouble with some of our Earthling technology? Here, take it. Yeah, you got it. Lego! Lego Santa!
Hello, Santa. We brought you a gift.
We took it to space.
We borrowed your bag. Yes, yes.
We flew through a comet,
Got caught in a rift.
but we made it back safe.
And
we brought you a gift.
Really? A gift? For us? Oh my goodness, that's incredible. Who here thinks that they know what kind of gift an alien would bring? Who here thinks that they know? Yes, right over here, shout it out. Alien masks? Oh, that sounds like fun. What do you think over here?
What do you think they brought? Yes, maybe.
Maybe a box?
Wow, what else?
Alien Lego? Do you have Lego brick on wherever you come from?
Not quite.
Oh, okay. We still gotta keep guessing. Well, what goes out in space, do we think here?
Spaceship?
Spaceships?
A rocket ship?
Now, has anybody ever
Getting
built a
closer.
rocket ship?
Ah.
Space monsters. Oh my goodness. Well, these are all really good ideas, but I don't think it's that, is it?
Yes. Behold, the mothership.
amazing gift to all of our friends here from the LEGO Galaxy. You know what? I can't wait to build my spaceship and ride that coaster.
Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to ride the Galacticoaster. So exciting. Thank you so much for returning Lego Santa's bag for us.
Absolutely. Hey, you know what? Since Lego Santa's bag happens to be returned, what do you say that we start to light this beautiful tree with our friends from Lego Galaxy, huh?
You guys, we're going to need your help. Can you do that? Yes? Okay, we are going to do a countdown. Are you ready? 6, 5, 4,
3, 2, 1! Whoa! Incredible! Thank you so much for lighting this tree with us here tonight and celebrating the holidays, my friends. Amazing! Well, thank you again, everybody. Thank you so much as well, Lego Santa, for bringing these wonderful gifts. And thank you to our friends from the Lego Galaxy.
Thank you guys so much. That was so much fun.
And let's give another big round of applause and thank you as well to our special guest, Emily Calandrelli. I bet none of us were expecting that incredible Lego coaster surprise, huh?